utility of a premium soft roll-up truck bed cover without the premium price tag, Truxport by TruXedo has you covered. Our most affordable soft roll-up truck bed cover protects your cargo from the worst Mother Nature has to offer. The Truxport is there when you need it and out of the way when you don't. When you need full access to your truck bed, it rolls up and stores at the front. Its UV-resistant leather-grain vinyl looks great on any truck. Its tight front and tailgate seals keep the elements and weather out, everything from dust and dirt to rain and snow. You can install Truxport in less than 20 minutes without drilling or special tools. Simply connect the cover assembly to the rails before clamping them to your truck bed. To protect your cargo, release the safety straps, unroll the cover, and slam it closed to latch it. The preset tension control keeps the cover smooth and flat for a low-profile look. An industrial hook and loop system seals the sides of the cover down. When used with a locking tailgate, Truxport keeps your belongings safe and dry. When you need to use your truck bed to the fullest, press down on the dual latches, roll the cover to the front, and secure with the safety straps. With the straps in place, you can safely drive with the cover fully open. Every time you close your truck bed, you can rest in the fact that we put all our covers to the test to make sure they're tough enough to fit your lifestyle. We've even custom designed Truxport to your truck's specific year, make, and model for a guaranteed fit. We proudly manufacture Truxport here in the USA and back it with our 5-year warranty. At TruXedo, we believe you shouldn't have to choose between great design and affordability. With Truxport, you can finally have both. TruXedo. Cover your truck, live your life.